have a Parrot accordion in black. It is the Peacock model. It has 34 keys in the treble and 96 bass buttons. It has low and 2 middle reeds. It has 5 switches. I'll go through the switches so you can hear them. That's bassoon, low and middle, master, low and 2 middle, 2 middle, musette, and middle. On the bass side, the switch, the buttons sound like this. This is a intermediate level, I would say, accordion, or even an entry level. It's a nice compact and lightweight size. It has nice versatility in your treble side. It has a nice musette. It has a nice classic look. It's actually a very handsome looking accordion. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.